Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is kids special veggie pizza, so let's start it. One cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, Now I have taken 2 cups of maida and gonna add the yeast. Knead it well. Pour some oil and cover it with wet cloth or cling wrap for 2 hours. Pizza dough is ready now, so let's start making the base. Start rolling them. Stretch them like this, and I have already applied some pizza sauce. Now adding some onions. Few bell peppers, add some jalapenos, chili flakes and sprinkle some salt, oregano leaves, few olives, adding some mozzarella cheese, It's ready now, so let's bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on 400° Fahrenheit. Your pizza is ready to grab. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.